communication is key. Is key, lalo sa pag-communicate ng taste mo. At this point, exactly 6 months, 2 days ago. And it's marami naman na kaming yung mga madudugo, inuna na namin kinapos yun. So ngayon, it's more of like tidying up na lang. But still, you know, it really doesn't dawn on you just ng isang araw lang. It's a slow acceptance and slow parang sink in siya talaga na hanggang ngayon may ikinasisink in pa pala siya. I think it helps na para sa amin ewan ko sa iba, pero I think it helps na talagang pinag-uusapan na namin siya even before we got engaged. Na if you feel or if you mutually, you both see each other going to that direction naman eventually, di ba? I guess wala namang masama sa pag-usapan. Hindi yung parang, wala pa kasing sing-sing, so bawal pa siya pag-usapan. Like, pag-usapan na. So itong actually na-engage kami, mas like we already had an idea of what we wanted. And that and communication is key. Is key, lalo sa pag-communicate ng taste mo kung anong pasa sa'yo at anong hindi, anong pasa sa kanya at anong hindi. And ang naging style din namin was to really get on it and finish as much as we can the first few months pa lang. Dahil iniiwasan namin may mga malalaking kailangang gawin at tapusin ng burn months. Iniiwasan namin yung burn months kasi lahat, events company, mga tao, mga suppliers, mabibusy. So we try to finish and finalize everything as early as we can.